Hi there, Becca de Mulan, Life Energy Massage Therapy. Get Life Energy on YouTube. Welcome. If you're watching this on YouTube, welcome to the channel. If you're watching this on Facebook, please go subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to help me grow that little channel. You see this guy right here? You see this guy? I have shot 3 times in a row now. I don't even know if I'm going to use either of those other 2 videos because this guy was yapping my ear off and meowing like a madman so loud, and it was pretty disruptive. You happy now? Are you good? Jeez Louise, man. I love this guy. If I was completely alone, which I am gratefully not, thank goddess, I would be so grateful, as I already am grateful, to have this little critter in my life. He's 12 this year. That's my child, Captain Flint. But now that he's had his wet food dinner and is not going to yap or interrupt my video, I figure what better time than the present to launch a remote apothecary. You know what's interesting? Oh, sorry. You know what's interesting is I always learned that an apothecary was like a place where a healer or a shaman or a magician or a an herbalist would keep all of their medicines and their herbs and their supplies, and that's definitely what I'm launching right now is my my apothecary. I'm letting you know what I have available to you, what you can order from me. I am going to be making products well into the later wee hours of the night tonight. Okay, it's not that late. It's 8:30. But anyway, I'm going to be making some essential oil blends tonight and working on some healing oils and some healing wellness essential oil products and some of my aromatic personal fragrance blends, and I'm going to be working on creating some inventory, and I've been wanting to set aside time for quite a while now to make some inventory, and now is the perfect time for me to do that. Guess what? I looked up the definition of the word apothecary, and it means a person who prepared and sold medicines and drugs. So apothecaries are places that you can get drugs. But some of those drugs are plant medicine drugs because all drugs are made out of plant medicine in the first place. So I am taking orders. I'm going to be making some inventory, like I said, but if you have a special order that you'd like to place, a lot of people are obsessed with my Phenom 333 essential oil blend. So if you want to place an order, let me know what you want. And if you can order from me in advance, that would really help support me in this time that I am unsure of how I'm going to earn any money, given that I can't do my work, my main source of income, which is work one-on-one, hands-on with people. So my essential oil blends are range from $9 to $30, and I will be creating a post soon with all of the blends and all of the products that I will have available and their corresponding rates at which you can order them. And I take PayPal and Venmo, and I can even run a credit card over the phone with my Square. All of those ways work. You can call me, you can text me, you can post a comment on this video wherever you see this video and place your order that way. And I am taking orders for healing oils, positive mood serum, aka PMS, chill the fuck out blends, spritz that will calm you down, spritz that will clean the air that you're around you and help heal you from protecting you from whatever is floating in the air, viral or bacterial. I make some aromatherapy perfumes, the Phenomenal 1, Phenomenal 2, and Phenom 333, and Stroke of Genius, which is good for ADHD. Let me not remind you about that one. That's my most recent blend that I've made, and some people are obsessed with that one. I'm also available via live chat, whether through Facebook Messenger or Facebook video chat or FaceTime for holistic coaching, oracle readings, tarot readings, and pendulum divination. Pendulum divination can be really cool. If you don't know what that is, ask me about it and I will show you. I have a few different pendulums that we can use. We can also use the pendulum to pick which deck to read you a tarot reading from. But pendulum divination can be really cool if you have some yes or no answers to questions that you need answered. But I'm available for consultation for general holistic coaching and for relationship coaching and for whatever type of coaching you may need. I'll post a link in the description here as well to my online menu where you can read descriptions of my coaching and my readings and what I offer. So if you're curious as to more depth of what I specialize in. And what else? Is that everything? Is that all the things that I am offering? What a better time than now than to launch a remote access business, right? I don't know if I should do Etsy. If any of you guys know about this, please leave me a comment below and let me know. Do you recommend that I create a store on Shopify? That I create a store with Etsy? Is there any way to create a store for free online or add it to my website with a web building tool in order to create an online store? I plan on listing all the things I sell on Google as well as Facebook, but I'm not sure if those two platforms are just a like a menu online, or if they're actually make it possible for someone to click a link and purchase the items that they want to put in their shopping cart, for example. But I really don't want to have to learn how to use the internet all over again just to sell some products. So hopefully creating this video and sending this message to you guys, to my clients, to my fans, to my followers, to my family, to my friends, to my Facebook friends, to my YouTube community, I'm hoping that making this video is enough, that if you want to help support me and if you want to support yourself in being well and naturally and holistically, and you need some healing oil and you need some antidepressant aromatherapy and you need some detoxifying spritz, that you will get in touch with me and get some of these products and let me make them for you and send them to you and create this win-win situation where you're helping me and I'm helping you and we're all helping each other. Last but not least too, if you want massage therapy but you can't get it right now, perhaps it'll only be a few weeks or 6 weeks or a couple months, or we don't know how long things are going to be like this. So if you're able and you want to prepay for a package of sessions, I offer packages, buy 5, get 1 free, or buy 10, get 2 free. And if you're capable and financially able to prepay for a package, that's a wonderful way to support your local self-employed person too, whether that's your hairdresser, your tattoo artist, your massage therapist, or your skincare professional. If you know somebody who's in the line of work that's service-based and they're out of work right now, you can definitely buy a package and prepay for services or buy gift certificates that you can give to others that will definitely help out that person who's in the same boat that I am. So I just wanted to say that, not just for me, but for all of us that are in this boat, self-employed and without the opportunity to work remotely. However, I am now offering remote healing, so I'm doing what I can. I hope this video finds you well. Please leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, share the video if you think that someone else might be able to benefit from these items or services that I offer. And I will be available this week, Monday through Friday, between noon and 7 p.m. to take appointments for online coaching and to consult with you and to take your orders for products. Stay tuned for a link to a event where I can share the information that I have about what I have available, how much everything is. I'll give you a full menu with photographs of the products and descriptions of the ingredients so that you can order some magical witch doctor stuff from me to you and heal yourself and help heal the world. One little thing at a time, right? We're all trying to do our best. I hope you're doing your best. I hope that you're keeping your chin up. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.